You start manifesting money, you feel hopeful, you're doing the affirmations, you're trying to think differently, then something unexpected happens, a surprise bill, a lower balance, something feels like it's falling apart. If you found this video, there's a good chance it's happening to you right now. Let me ask you something. Did this start happening after you decided to change your money story? Pause for a moment. What are you noticing in your body right now? Good. That tells me a deeper part of you is already done with the old money story. This isn't punishment, and it doesn't mean you failed. This is one of the most searched questions right now. Why manifesting gets worse. Here's what's actually happening. Most people don't just have a money situation, they have a money identity. An old story that sounds like money is hard. I never quite have enough. Something always comes up. Life isn't reacting to your bank balance. It's reflecting who you quietly assume you are with money. When you begin manifesting, you're not just asking for more money, you're challenging that identity. And identities don't dissolve quietly. Let me ask you this. When money feels uncertain, what do you automatically do first? How many times today have you checked? Not for information, but for reassurance. Just notice. Because every time fear shows up and you look for proof, you're still being the version of you who's waiting. Waiting is just another way of saying, I'm not the one who has it yet. And waiting is the old story. So slow this down. Right now, can you sense the difference between effort and tension in your body? Effort feels steady, tension feels urgent. Manifesting doesn't respond to urgency, it responds to identity. That's why the chaos isn't a sign you're doomed, it's a sign the old story is surfacing to be released. Now let's shift this. Before you imagine anything, notice where your body wants to soften. Good. Imagine a near future moment, not far away. What would it feel like if money didn't need to be solved right now? Not a lottery win, just the quiet, familiar sense that money is handled. Stay with the feeling, not the picture, because the feeling is the state, and states create outcomes. This is what resting really means. Not forcing belief, but withdrawing attention from struggle. So let me ask you one last thing. What changes when you stop chasing money and allow yourself to feel supported? That shift, however subtle, is the new identity forming. And when identity stabilizes, reality follows. If this felt different than other manifesting content, subscribe. Not for more videos, but so this state becomes familiar. Every time you listen from this state, you're teaching your nervous system that abundance is normal.